The 131-year-old Kasi Jaintia Presbyterian Girls High Secondary School, Shillong, which was razed to the ground due to a fire that broke out on the wee hours of Sunday, the 21st of May 2023, has drawn much sympathy, especially from the alumni, the teachers and students of the school, and from church leaders, the congregation, and neighbors. In conversation with media persons on the recent incident, the principal of the school, Calfelia Allya, said that while the cause of the fire is yet to be known, the school management has not been able to assess the loss due to the fire. At the same time, she announced that a parents' meeting has been scheduled for the 25th of May 2023 so as to enable the resumption of classes in the last week of May. Also, the school principal added that students will be accommodated in existing classrooms that have not been affected by the fire. On the construction of the new building, the school management committee will have to meet experts in the field to decide on the final structure of the building, informed the school principal.
School jumi kadika school kabala seng di missionaries nado ki khatras pa sinem khatras pa dai puar bala seng ngan ke school te nang ta ba de ru kalong ka school kabala ai ya kataka jing shakri ke jongka ya kita ki khna school kan thai jong kan ka sor Shillong mar kan ka school jumi kadika school ka banding ko e jong kan ka jilla jumi badru kalong ru ka school ka ba ajing nang start ya ki kin thai ki banda do kita ki por hadu menta kan ka school jumi menta kala dak shi spa like wisnem kala dak shi spa like wisnem but da kan ni ka jinja ya dei ban do no ya kan ka building ka ba itna tam ka ba le sinil aban ong ka dei ka heritage building ka ba ni persyang bangin meeting na do ko ki missionaries hadu menta ban nila persyang hi bangin ikanat ya ka pakanlong kawai niki jingte ki ba ikanat hang ni hapo sor Shillong ni hendai da kan ni ka jingja ni la du no kan da kan ni ka wai niki buildings ki ba ikanat nang dapat ka jing kan ni ka jingja kala pendu ini om tang ya ka structure jaman ka school hendai ya ka history jaman ka school hi bar ko wai mo ni lai don meeting ba staff but nilai perkat du ikna activity berkembang sampai ke ngapa ngan mention ke report kalau ba ngin persyang bangin sedang yang ini ke school next week hang ni aku abangan pen syai ikmi pa jo ikna school gi jongi baro ba kim dei ban smo puslai ru ya nak banta ki kun ki jongi kum ke school nidang don show ke ki sa arlai ki building sa ni ka campus ke bangila bangin penyak syapram ya ki classes ki jongi but dapat ka staff ipo ko ni long determine bangin pen ngin sedang biang ya ka school ka jungi ni sedang biang ka jungi hikai ka jungi nado kan ka tayo ko banwan.
With great remorse, one of the oldest teachers of the state, Babu Kular Khongjiram, had also offered his views on the recent fire incident at the KJP Girls High Secondary School, Shillong.
Di ungginong kai barok we staff bat non team staff install bat by staff ni tempau ndai tang jing sung pendit ndai jing sung si halor kan ni ke jinjia kebumpoi perkat mau unfortunate incident bangir na ban mudur bakat kaying school jingi kapalasna deki hareng ki wis sispa life ways nam chwa kanjia kan ni akaba kelat tei kai tina kalem ginong hikai don gi ayam don gi thang ba minum yo syu kum kan ni kaying adeng ni la long kum kaying la jong ni hikai kena kadini rekam hani adu dang step adu jamni ti ginong hikai wei pi wei don tule chu bang bakai ya ki sumsi ya ki jing thang ki bat ki jing pa yo no ki dai ka ai ga ba la ji ya kata min biang madalom ade ga mon yong blei man ni ti ba ka ai ga bala blei kun sa ai ni kan nu ko ba kham ha kun sa ai ni kan nu ba kham biang ma tip ha ya ka ai ga ba no we have file we have registered the FIR to the police let the law will take its course. That is not our duty as a teacher, but we inform the police, register the FIR, and let the law will take its own course, and we request, we appeal the what the law enforcing authority to kindly process this so that we can find the truth or the fact.